If your Epson printer is not printing a certain color, not printing at all, or your prints are coming out faded, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you a solution to that problem. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today I've got the Epson XP970, and basically what I'm going to be showing you is how to clean the print heads. If you're not able to print a certain color, no color is printing at all, you're printing blank pages, or you have lines that are showing up in streaks and then just a faded print quality. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Best Printers cleaning kit, which will be linked in the description below for your convenience so that you can get it through Amazon. You can get it with Amazon Prime quickly. This cleaning kit has fixed thousands of printers and has helped thousands of consumers save money. With this process, with this cleaning kit, you are able to fix your printer. It's a DIY process I'm going to show you in this video, and basically you're going to save yourself money. You're going to save yourself money on the ink, on a new printer potentially, and you're going to save your old printer. So specifically we've got the Epson XP970. This cleaning kit works with a variety of different printers. It probably works with 90% of printers. There's 10% of printers that this will not work with. So just keep that in mind, that if you have the same style print head, which I'll explain later in the video, this cleaning kit will work for a variety of those models as well. If you're new to this channel, I ask that you subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like this video. If you have any questions at all about the process, anything I do here in the video, feel free to comment below. If you used the cleaning kit and you were successful, comment that below as well. I'd love to hear it. The Best Printers cleaning kit will be linked in the description below, but any other product I end up talking about in this video, there will be a link for those products as well below the link for the Best Printers cleaning kit. Alright, I'm really excited to get into this repair. This channel is growing. We're getting close to the 16,000 subscriber mark, so you subscribing really is a big deal for me. There are over 300 videos on this channel that are helpful videos recommending printers, repairing printers, unboxing them, showing you how to install the ink. Everything that is related to printers you're going to find on this channel. I'm really excited for this video, so let's get right into this repair. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the maintenance section of the printer because you're going to want to print the Printhead nozzle check report. This report is going to allow you to see which colors you're having the most issues with. Now, if this comes out blank, you have a general print quality issue, and I will show you how to solve that, and I'll explain later in the video. But this will show you if you have certain colors that are coming out faded or choppy. You're going to want to pay attention to that on this report that will show you that. Now you're going to want to replace the ink cartridges. You're not actually replacing them right now. You're just clicking this so that you can lift the top of the printer up. The print head carriage should come all the way to the left, and you should be able to replace the ink cartridges. Now, a word on the ink cartridges. What I have found is that the main reason for this print head problem where it's faded, certain colors aren't printing, is from running your ink too low. Many times you have to even manually check that your ink is full because in the system it will show you that it still has quite a bit of ink, but it may be really low. So I will be leaving a link in the description below for some remanufactured versions of this Epson ink. Now what I'm doing here is folding up a paper towel, folding it up to the point where it's going to fit under the print head. This is what is going to catch the cleaning fluid that we end up using on this print head. Now, if you have a printer similar to this one and your print head looks like this, it's going to be the same exact process. Here we go. Here's the Best Printers cleaning kit. Link in the description below. This is what you're going to be using. You have a 20 milliliter syringe. You're going to want to reference your print nozzle check report. That's going to show you what you need to do. So you want to pinpoint certain colors. Let's say it's a light cyan. Now, it could be magenta, could be black, could be yellow, but that really just depends on the problem you are having. If you have a general problem, I would say use 10 milliliters at a time on each color, subsequently on each one. If you only have 2 to 3 colors, use a whole 20 milliliter syringe on each color. And then if you have some left over and you feel like you want to do some more cleaning, fill the syringe up again and hit it again and again. I would recommend honestly using the majority of the cleaning solution if you have a major problem. Now let's say you're having an issue just with 1 or 2 colors. Let's say it's black and magenta. In that case, you probably want to use about half the solution so you have some left over. But any more than that, and if it's all the colors, use the whole bottle. It's worth it. You're gonna need that. You want to do this right the first time, and once you're done with the cleaning and you're satisfied with the cleaning job that you've done, you're then going to pat it down with the paper towel. You're gonna remove the paper towel that soaked up all of that ink. Now, if you have a general print quality issue and you're doing all the colors, you need to swap this out probably every 2 nozzles that you do, because it's gonna get really messy if you don't do it that way. Here you can see the labels for each color, and that's going to be a guiding point when you are cleaning, when you're replacing the ink. So just keep all of this in mind. You want to make sure that the printhead is completely dried before you replace the printhead with the new ink cartridges. Again, there's going to be a link for those new ink cartridges in the description below. I highly recommend that you go with some remanufactured ones. They're going to work just as good. I use them myself. I've never had an issue. So you're plugging everything back in, and you're going to start the process of getting to the point where you can start printing again. What you need to do now is run a printhead cleaning. Now you can run a printhead cleaning or a power cleaning, which you can see there below, and you're going to run this so that you can get the ink pushed back into the system. That's really what you're wanting to do. It's not for the sake of cleaning. You've already done the cleaning. You're just pushing the ink back in the system. Once that is completed, you're going to want to print out a print nozzle report so that you can make sure all the colors are coming out to your satisfaction. Alright, I hope that this video ended up helping you out with your printer repair. I cannot stress the importance of running the printhead cleaning right after you use the Best Printers cleaning kit. Now, normally you probably went through the process of using that printhead cleaning before you bought the kit, because that's what's already built in the system to be able to solve this kind of problem. But this is when the problem is so great that no longer solves it. The purpose of using the printhead cleaning or power cleaning, which that is the second option, uses more ink but it's more powerful, is to push the ink back into the system. It was flushed, especially if you had no colors printing and you use the cleaning kit to push down all of the colors. It is completely flushed out. No ink is in the system, and so when you're trying to print a print quality report, nothing is going to come out. So what you need to do is run either the printhead cleaning or power cleaning. Power cleaning if you have a more serious problem. That's not for the purposes of cleaning the printhead. You've already cleaned the printhead. That is just to push the ink back into the system. This is true for all printers. This is how it works. You run this cleaning with the Best Printers cleaning kit, and then you run a printhead cleaning or power cleaning. If you haven't already gotten yours, the Best Printers cleaning kit, there's a link in the description below. There's a money back guarantee on it. That is how confident I am that you will be able to solve your problem with this cleaning kit. Again, remember, if for whatever reason you don't want to go through this process and you just wanted to get a new printer, you could get a new version of this printer. There will be a link for it in the description below, or you can explore through that link some other printers that are available. You can browse this channel. I have a lot of different recommendations: Epson EcoTank, different Canon models, and then the HP Office Jets. All of those I recommend, and there are videos for if you're looking to get into a different type of printer. Please make sure to like the video. Again, consider subscribing. Any questions at all, comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.